Hello, my viewers, my students, and my followers. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. No matter the circumstances, no matter the situation, no matter the condition that are pulling you down, trying to hold you back, please don't give an attention. Always be focused to achieve your aims and desires, to achieve your objectives. And so endeavors to be focused at all time. Yes, I have brought you a very sound good news today. Good news that I believe with my mind. Good news that I know that will give you the right direction. Good news that I know that will help you to start your business. Good news that I know that will help you to develop your business. Good news that I know that will help you to manage your business. That is the kind of good news I brought to you today. What is the good news all about? The good news is all about 6 best ways to start a business. 6 best ways to start a business. That is the good news that I brought to you today. Do you get that? But before we go into that in details, I want to make an appeal to you that as far this channel is concerned, and probably this is the first video you are coming across, as far Obigo Joseph channel is concerned, please endeavor to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Equally make a comment below for us to know what you are thinking about, and to equally know what your business is going through, the challenges you are having as far your business is concerned. Open that comment section, drop it there for us. We will pick it, we will discuss it with you to make sure we provide a solution to curb and to solve that particular challenge your business is going through. All of these things are absolutely free without any charges. Do you get what I'm saying? And equally tell us what you think about our channel, your business, because this is the channel we talk about how to start your own business, how to develop your business, how to expand your business, how to manage your business, how to scale your business, how to consolidate your business. And we equally dished out business ideas for people free of charge. Absolutely. We equally talk about investment opportunities. We equally talk about asset management. And we equally talk about water production. Do you get what I'm saying? And we equally talk about investment opportunity and financial advisory services. These are what the channel is all about, and this is what we discuss with our students, with our viewers, and with our followers on a daily basis. So please, you have a lot to benefit as far this channel is concerned, and so hit that notification bell by subscribing. 6 best ways to start a business. Yes, number 1, get an idea. Do you get that? There is no business you will see in the world today that particular business does not begin with an idea. Every business starts with an idea. Do you get that? You can get a business idea from the environment, the locality. Are you getting it? That you are. Go into your environment. Go into the community you are living, the area that you are. Sort out what is the challenges, what is the problem that these people are facing, that they are experiencing as far the entire community is concerned. You will be able to pick a business idea from such. When you know that fully well, you try to create a value to solve that particular problem or challenges that those people are experiencing. From there, you can get your business idea. Then you can go to your profession that you are. You can get your business idea from the profession you are. Do you get that? Your specialization. Then, how about your talent? You can get a business idea from the talent that you have, and you can equally get a business idea from the skill sets that you have. Do you get what I'm saying? From all of these things, you can get what? Business idea. 6 best ways to start a business. Then 2, believe in yourself. How do you believe in yourself? This is the first and the most necessary and important factor to consider, and you must have before starting any business. Believing in yourself and the idea you have is the only way. With this belief, you will produce the best result from the business, and on no account must you doubt yourself. Do you get that? On no circumstances, on no situation, you must doubt yourself, because you must continue to believe in yourself first, and you must continue to believe in that business idea that you have generated. By so doing, you will find out that you will be able to start a very profitable and good business. Number 3, trust yourself. You may be starting this great journey alone, all with your family, your friends, or someone else. But no matter what, no matter how bad the condition is, always have the trust for yourself. Trust yourself and your potential business partners. Equally trust them. Starting a business with someone is the greatest commitment you will make. And what are the relationship with your business partner without what? Trust. Do you get what I'm saying? No matter the situation, no matter the circumstances, you must trust yourself. You must trust your business, your potential business partners, to make sure the idea that you have generated so far, you have been focused on it and to drive it to a greater height. Number 4, follow up with the idea. That's number 4. 6 best ways to start a business. A business idea may strike you out of balance, but that does not mean you should ignore it and stop driving that purpose. Stop driving that idea, no matter the circumstance. That is what I am always saying. No matter the situation, you must endeavor to believe in yourself. You must endeavor to focus in order for you to achieve your smart goals. Because you believe in it, you must follow up with that idea that you have generated so far. Give the idea a raw thinking, comprehensive thinking, and random thoughts for that idea that you have generated. Give that idea a proper shape. Give that business idea you have generated a proper aims, a smart aims. Give that idea, that business idea, profitable business idea that you have generated, a good vision that will lead you to achieve heights in life. Give that business idea that you have generated a good mission. Do you get that? And a brand name. By so doing, you will find out that yes, your smart goals, your belief, and the business idea you have generated will be working for you smoothly. Number 5, go ahead. 6 best ways to start a business. Go ahead. Once you have started with all the factors, with all the steps that I have said earlier, nothing should stop you from moving ahead. Nothing Nothing should stop you from moving ahead. Follow that dream and that passion with the kind of abundant mindset that yes, I have focused my mind and that's what I must achieve. That you can do it and make it. That you can do it and you can make it for life. Many people will tell you, stop working on the idea. It makes no meaning to them, but not you. It doesn't make any meaning to them, but it makes a lot of meaning to you. Do you get that? Others will tell you, you have no capital, you have no money to drive this idea of this business. Do you get that? Just forget about it. The business is not going to be successful. Please don't mind them. Be focused at all time. Do you get that? Others will tell you, you have no good presentation for your investors pitch and make more factors. Don't even consider all of these things. Always be focused and move ahead. Number 6, be willing and be happy. Be willing and be happy. As you are working on the profitable business idea, make sure to know if your idea makes you happy. Also, make sure the parts you are building for yourself is something that serves a purpose to you first. As value created, it will then be eventually meaningful to the rest of the world as value created for the market, as an exchange of money. Do you get what I'm saying? You must endeavor to follow these best 6 ways to start your own business, no matter the situation, no matter the condition, but always be focused. Do you get what I'm saying? And so therefore, my viewers, if this video, your first video you are coming across as far as this channel is concerned, please don't scroll by. Endeavor to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up or a like, make a comment below for us to know what you are thinking about. Do you get what I'm saying? And so we will be building this community of business people, successful business people together. Thank you until I see you again.